How do you determine the relative preference of tested stimuli during trial-based preference assessments? Trial-based preference assessments measure stimuli across a series of trials, and one of the things that you may be tested on is the exact way that preferences are measured and determined during these trials. Behavior is measured across 3 measures. The first is approach. This is a measure of any movement toward the stimulus, like eye gaze or head turns, a hand reach. So anything like that, if it's observed, would be recorded. The next thing is contact. Does the client actually touch, or better yet, hold the stimulus? And finally, if they do hold the stimulus, we would measure engagement. This is looking at the total amount of time or the percentage of intervals in which the client is holding and interacting with a specific item. More approaches or touches means, higher preference, and you would label stimuli based on this high, medium, or low preference measure. With stimulus preference assessments, not only are you looking at the choices, but also relative interest. With multiple stimulus preference assessment, you might have multiple stimuli that are identified as preferred. So then you may need to discriminate further, like higher to lower preferences. And this would be based on the measures of approach, contact, and engagement. With single stimulus preference assessments, this is especially important because you're only looking at interaction with one item at a time. And if they're interacting with only one item at a time, then determining relative preference can be a lot more difficult, but not if it's based on approach, contact, and the duration of engagement measures.